In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your hood struts, which are these support pistons here that hold the hood up when you open it. If you need these or any other parts, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. To replace this, I'm going to start at the top. Also keep in mind, one hood strut is not enough to support the weight of the hood, so either have one hand on it the whole time or have a helper or prop something up to hold the hood for you. Take a pick or a pocket screwdriver, pry this little lock out of the way just like that. Then you're going to want to push the hood up a little bit. This should allow you to pop this out. While I'm here, I'm going to take my new one and snap it in place, just like that. On the bottom here, it's the same setup. Sometimes you can get away with prying it out just like this, or other times you might have to get that pocket screwdriver and actually unlock it. Make sure that this pivot point is clean. There is a little bit of grease already in this new one, so I wouldn't worry about that. But if you wanted to add some of yours, go ahead. Now, take this new one and line it up, snap it in, and there you go. Do the same exact thing to the other side. I recommend replacing these in pairs because usually when they go bad in pairs. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comments section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.